Banks, credit unions, financial service companies really have three main challenges. First of all, you need to make sure that you're secure and compliant. These are heavily regulated forms that are being sent out, and you need to make sure they're sent out securely, and you need to make sure that they're compliant. Managing the data is also another critical point. Simply put, if data needs to be matched to the correct individual. How do you distribute these forms? The chances are you'll have multiple vendors, you'll have a printer, you'll have perhaps a mailing house, and you may even have a service providing data management. I think reality is that this is a once-a-year process. The people gather their resources, these financial institutions gather their resources, and they just want to get it done. They don't really think about, hey, is there a better way to do this? Should we consider another way of doing this? Should we consider looking at an online type of tool to do this? The reality is they do this once a year. They want to get it done. They gather, collect their resources, and they just move forward. Then they put it away, and they worry about it again next year. InSource can actually create a much better environment for you in providing the tax forms to the individuals. Number one is we can help manage the data. Data is key and it's essential. And not only can we help manage the data, but we can also provide it in a secure and a compliant format. The next thing that we can do is offer up a strategy in which we can communicate to the end users, the individuals that are receiving the tax forms. We can do this multiple ways. We can do this mostly by some sort of email campaign, permissions-based type of campaign, to get them to opt in, to get their permission to send them the tax forms. Lastly, what we can do is for anyone that doesn't want to receive their forms via online, we can also take care of the mailing and distribution of them. The benefits that they can expect is that we're going to eliminate headaches, we're going to reduce administration burden, and you're going to reduce cost.